Pastor, no understand you this early morning. You don't know say you dey commit sin like this too. Your kabash for inside, come the kabash outside. Which can't be this one?
Jesus!
You know they say what Jesus talk. He say he love sinners. You know Yara?
Will you keep quiet? Jesus love sinner, meaning you just use my body to the sin. Me not sin.
You know be sin, but nobody go see this kind of thing. Eh? We go do waka pass like that. It don't make sense now.
Jesus!
You know waka pass a bit. You know how waka pass.
I don't see. Let me tell you.
How much you get for off with last week Sunday?
That one very big, very big.
Oh, we fish here now.
Eh?
Take care of this side. I go to take care of your free boy.
Jesus!
You think say they wise? You are a woman.
You carry.
Yes, ma'am. Now, woman bomb me now.
The man will give her it's a
Pastor. You don't see Yala? You see the one when you take end now? And they tell you say you know go end well. You know go end well. You think how they like?
Jesus!
She go to take care of this one. Yeah, she go to take care of the offering. Woo! Ashawo! You go. I think you dey pray for his house when they rababa. Robobo. Oh!
Landlord, if I give you, you don't go shop.
I tell you, shop.
You don't go shop. I give you, don't go shop. You don't go shop. And then come out with the go.
Go inside, baby.
Oh!
Concern you.
Oh, yeah!
Àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ o, àní kí n láti rí o. Àṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ kí n láti rí.